This is the Sog PowerAssist model S66. It has two assisted opening knife blades on it. One is a fine edge blade, the other is a serrated edge blade. Both blades release with a little lock in the handle. On the other side of this tool, under the comfort grip, we have a three-sided file, a can opener with a medium-sized flathead screwdriver. We have a large flathead screwdriver. We have a V cutter. We have a can opener with a small flathead screwdriver. And we have a Phillips screwdriver. Each of these tools are held in place individually with Sog's piano lock system. You see the V cutter is not quite deployed yet, and whenever it locks in place, it ought to lay right down. Okay, you can push the piano lock to release one or all of the tools. Just then I'm releasing the three-sided file while the V cutter stays locked. And I'll push it down and I'll release all of them. The pliers are operated by double-geared compound leverage system. It's strong enough to cut through thick wire and pocket change. You can squeeze on these pliers, and if you slip off of your grip, it doesn't pinch your hand because you see the pliers do not close all the way. It's the Sog PowerAssist model S66.